We're live from Chevy Chase.
Guys, welcome back. It's time for our morning chat, and today we're chatting about weight loss methods with the experts. So it's the new year. We were talking about this yesterday here on the show about weight loss methods, and CHI St. Joseph Health is launching an educational video series about weight loss methods. And this month we are joined with the details. We have the details by Dr. Benjamin Neltner and Dr. David Sweedler. Welcome to the show, gentlemen.
Thank you for having us.
So this is a very appropriate topic. So tell us about this educational series and what you all are hoping to accomplish.
So Dr. Sweedler and I got together and we've been talking over the past couple of months about how we can get more information to the public about weight loss and the options that are available. I think that the common thoughts that we had is that often patients of ours think that diet and exercise are the major options to lose weight, especially in the new year, and we want to try to provide more education about other options, specifically medication options, both pills and injectable medications, and also surgery, which Dr. Sweedler is an expert on.
Yeah, so I've been through the whole realm of weight loss options, and I'm currently on the shot, so you know the medications you're talking about. But how do people know what's right for them? So these video series are going to show that, right?
So as a primary care physician,
Yes.
of course, I would encourage patients to reach out to their primary care doctor or any physician that they have that's able to walk them through it, because there are a lot of things to think about based on the patient factors, you know, what their medical history is. And then we always have to think about cost as well, because some of these medications are very expensive as well. So.
Yeah. And then when it comes to surgery, people have tons of questions about surgery. So how do you address those questions that people have?
Yeah, well, one thing that's important to understand that surgery has evolved over the last 20, 30, 40 years since it started. And these days, it's a very safe and viable option for long-term weight loss. You know, minimally invasive surgery, robotic surgery, very safe options that people can use these tools, which then supplement their diet and exercise efforts with medications, possibly, to achieve long-term weight loss.
Yeah. Well, the good news is there's hope for people, right? In all different varieties. So how can people find out more information?
Yeah, so again, you know, we're trying to emphasize more and more that we want primary care and specialty care to be more familiar with these medication options and surgical options, and we're trying our best to have a collaborative approach to where we can quickly use experts like surgical options, like medical options, but really it starts with home, so contacting your primary care physician or your primary care provider about options, and then we are launching an online series where we've put together some videos talking about many of these options that is available online.
Seems like a first great start. Yes.
Absolutely. I love it. Okay. Well, if you want to reach out to CHI St. Joseph Health and find out more about either medication or surgically assisted weight loss programs, check out all of the information. It's up on the screen. Doctors, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And you all are very handsome
They
doctors.
are.
I must
Very
say.
nice.
So another reason to check them out.
That's right.
Yeah.